When it comes to floor lamps, there are a lot of options on the market, but today I want to share with you a very tall 77-inch floor lamp by a company called Homelist, who sent me their floor lamp to put to the test. As you can see, this floor lamp can get quite bright, really brighten up the room, and also make it a good experience for using it to read with as well, based on the spectrum of light and their technology. This is a great lamp for not only the living room here, office, your bedroom, might be your kids' room, a den, just so many great ways that you could take advantage of the lamp. So we're gonna talk about the lamp as I'm gonna move it from behind my couch so you can get a full view of the lamp. It will talk about some of the specs, and at the end of the video, I'll show you how I put it together, because it does take 15 or 20 minutes, and they do have this instruction sheet for assembly. So let's go ahead and dive on in. So here I am, about 6 feet, and standing next to this very impressive 77-inch tall lamp. Not only is it impressive with the design of it, but what's also impressive, it's very well made. It's made of aluminum alloy and also steel. The base is very heavy, so you could feel confident that the lamp is going to stay and not tip over. As far as power, you got this big brick that uses a 3-prong connector, and then it plugs into the back of the post, and then you get your power. Now, as far as the canopy, what's nice about the canopy, it's dual-sided as far as light. So you're gonna get light that's gonna be on top and bounce off the ceiling, and there's 2 strips on top, and then you have the lighting on the bottom. And again, this is one spectrum of light. This is in the 4000K spectrum, so it's gonna be more for reading and giving that natural light feel. Now, as far as some of the other specs, I want to share with you, it does mention it's 100-watt full spectrum eye care standing lamp. It's 9,000 lumen LED, and also it mentions it does not emit blue light and avoids eye irritation. It won't have that flicker issue, and also the lifespan will give you up to 40,000 hours. So that will give you some of the specs as well. Now, for this price point, some people, and I think to myself as well, I do like the fact that it does have good lighting, and especially for reading, and I think it also helps with the lighting for my video. But it would be nice for this price point if it did have a remote control, or you could adjust the different color spectrums of light, something that, you know, maybe in the next version that they might think about. But, you know, from the standpoint of the lamp for what it does, I also think it's very nicely made, and I think it's a very effective lamp that will be great for most people. And it's a great conversation piece, and something will be a nice addition to your room that you're using it in. Now, if you are curious how you put it together, again, you have that sheet which does show you how to put it together. Here is the video of me assembling it. Let me know if you have any questions, but I like the lamp. I'm looking forward to getting a lot of use out of it, and definitely one that I would recommend. Again, if you are looking for that spectrum, if knowing that it won't have the other spectrums of light, then I think this would be a great addition for you. And let me know what you think. If you are using this lamp, leave any comments, any questions you have, and also be sure to check out the links where you could see any latest promotions as well. So thanks for joining me today. Appreciate the company sending me this lamp to put it to the test and to share with you. And there you go. So hope you have a bright day, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care.